Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a simple step-by-step guide on how to enable app icon badges for incoming calls on Messenger. If you've ever missed a call because your phone didn't show that little badge number on the Messenger app, turning on this setting will help make sure you never miss an important notification again. Let's get started. First, go to your phone's settings. This is the main control center for your device, and where you'll find all the options for managing apps, notifications, and more. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This will show you the full list of applications installed on your phone. From here, you'll need to scroll through until you find Messenger and then tap on it. Once you're inside Messenger's app settings, look for the section labeled Notifications. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where you can manage every type of notification that Messenger can send. Within notifications, you'll see different categories. Tap on Notification Categories. These are like individual channels that control what specific actions Messenger is allowed to alert you about. Now, find and select the option for incoming calls. This will pull up the notification settings that are specifically tied to when someone tries to call you on Messenger. Finally, toggle on the option for app icon badges. Once this is turned on, you'll see a small number badge appear on the Messenger app icon whenever there's a missed incoming call. This makes it much easier to spot if you've missed someone reaching out to you, even without opening the app. And that's it. You've now successfully enabled app icon badges for incoming Messenger calls. With this simple adjustment, you'll always have a quick visual cue on your home screen whenever there's activity waiting for you. It's a small change that can make a big difference in staying connected and not missing important conversations. Thanks for watching.